You just threw it to the side like it's a piece of junk?
You're what? That thing?
Scorpion 250. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
My head.
I know, I'm sorry. Kayla books, charger, doobie. Huh, where the heck are all my hard drives? I know they're here somewhere.
They're all connected.
Okay, you're
Yay.
good.
Okay, so I had just finished soldering with my dad. It was pretty fun. I really liked putting together the wires. It was interesting to see how long it took for everything to attach to one another. Mostly because I didn't really know what I was doing and such. it was as challenging about as I thought it was. I didn't expect it to be easy, but I thought I would be able to have an easier time putting together the wires. But I ended up struggling for quite a bit, and I couldn't get the wires together, and at the end I did get 3 wires connected to this little I don't know what it was. I think it was some sort of it it was supposed to hold something. I forgot to ask my dad what exactly it was. It was a connector of some sort. But it was pretty fun. It was as challenging as I thought it was. So it's not necessarily easy, but it's not the hardest thing in the world to do, I would say. But I definitely have a lot to learn still. I did get some of the the solder wire onto my hand, which did hurt a little bit. And I did end up burning a lot of like the rubber that encases the wiring and a little bit of the plastic on the little knob I was working on. So my being clumsy did definitely play a role in how difficult it was. But overall, I wouldn't say it was necessarily too bad. It was pretty fun doing it, like I said multiple times now. I think the biggest thing that I was expecting was I was gonna have a really hard time just trying to get it together, but well, yeah, that was honestly the biggest one. Another big thing is I didn't realize how much like different parts had to go together, and like that the thickness of the wire mattered. I thought like you could use any wire, so yeah, it was pretty interesting, pretty fun to learn. And overall, I'm excited to do it again. Next time, I hope I'm gonna fix my Joy-Cons or either keep practicing putting the wires together, because I've done smaller projects, like I fixed my little Pikachu lamp, but I was just connecting something that already had pre-solder on it. So yeah, basically it was just a really fun time, and it was nice trying it, and I want to continue doing it.